Well, it's a very cloudy, cold, snowy Michigan day, and I just wanted to try a little project and throw my, as you can see, one 15-watt solar panel that I got from Harbor Freight. My wife bought it for me on sale as a birthday present. I got that running down over here into this eBay charge controller. As you can see, it's charging. It's charging. This is my DIY portable generator. Got a 12-volt plug here, and then on the top I have this 410-watt inverter. And right there's the cart that it goes on. And as you can see, as a cloudy day as it is, here in Michigan with these panels, well, if I can get it to touch in there, it is charging though. You got, it's almost 13 watts coming in from those solar panels on this day. With all that cloud and stuff, it's one of the reasons why I like those Harbor Freight panels. For price per watt, they're kind of expensive, but they're fun to learn from. Thanks for watching.